Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Another thing is once you have created the navigation, it takes away all of the options and gives you this one. The select menu option is the only one remaining. You can click this option. It gives you two options. Either it lets you select from an existing menu if you want to change it, and the other two options is a tool, which is the create new menu tool and manage menu tools. You know about create new menu option. Let's just click the manage menus option and open it in a new tab. When you click manage menus, it will take you to this page. It will show you all of the navigation menus that you have created. Now, as of now, if you click this option, if you click the edit option, it takes you nowhere. Basically it shows you nothing. But what you can do here is you can change the name of the navigation in case you want to delete it or do whatever is that you want to do, or create a new navigation. You can do that over here, but this is the most that you can do with right now with the manage navigation option. I think so it is best suited if you want to bulk delete menus in case you have accidentally added too many menus just while trying. Then you can delete it using this option. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.